This is the Hoco EQ24 wireless Bluetooth headset. I want to connect it to my laptop. But when I try to connect it to my laptop, the Hoco EQ24 earbuds device is not showing up on my laptop. If the Hoco EQ24 earbuds are not showing up on my laptop, let's see how to fix it. If there are stickers on the earbuds, remove the stickers from the earbuds. Now put both the earbuds inside the charging case. Now try to connect it to your laptop. If the Hoco EQ24 earbuds still don't show up on your laptop, check if the earbuds have enough charge. If the earbuds don't have enough charge, charge them for 20 minutes. After charging the earbuds, try connecting them to your laptop. If the Hoco EQ24 earbuds are still not showing up on your laptop, check if the earbuds are connected to another phone. If the earbuds are connected to another phone, unpair them from there. Now the Hoco EQ24 earbuds will be visible on the laptop. Now connect it. The Hoco EQ24 earbuds are now connected to the laptop.